Hello everyone, welcome back to Array Blog once again. So, as we learned in the previous video, array one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional. Now we are going to learn about the most important topic, like string in C, using character array and some important function provided in string.h. So, did you know that in C, string are nothing but array of character that end with a special character called the null terminator, that is \0. In this video we'll learn about string in C, how to declare them and how to use built-in function from the string.h library. So we'll create a file first, that is string.c, and I'll write comment here so that I can type everything. So a string in C is a sequence of character, that is a sequence of character stored in a character array. C, character array, right? And it always end with the null character, that is \0 to mark the end. So for example, let me just copy paste it. I've written the example. So this, so we are using \0. \0 is basically, we are telling the array that is, this is the end point of your string. So let's move to the example, and we'll read a array, string array, and we'll print that array. So I have written example, and I'll just copy paste it here. So this is our a simple program, the studio, that is famous library. And then we are using the character, we are declaring a variable character named 20. It will ask you to print your name. And then scanf is basically, we are taking the input from the user and we'll printing the value whatever the user enter basically. So gcc string.c hyphen o string. So we compile it and then string. So it is asking enter your name. So we'll write array block. Say it's saying array block. What we'll do, we'll just paste \n so that it'll be clear how many time it is printing, and we'll run it. See, so array block, see it's saying hello, and the input we have taken from the user, that is array block. So scanf, what it does, it read input but stop at a space. To read the full line with a space, use gets, that is not safe. So now let's look at some useful function from the string.h library. So what we'll do, we'll create another, that is string lib.c, that is string library, and I've written a program using string.h library. So I'll just copy paste it here and we'll see how it works. So there are various kind of function that is basically predefined in C: strl length, strcpy, strcat, strcmp. So I'll explain one by one how it works and what it does. So what we are doing, we just enter the studio.h and string.h. This is another library that is for using the string. So we are declaring the string 1, that is hello. We are declaring string 2, that is world, and string 3 is str340. We have not declared anything. So see, print of length. If you want to get the array length, like if you want to get the length of the string, you can use strlen. If you want to copy a string, one string into another string, you can use strcopy. For strcat, it will combine these two string together, and strcamp basically it will compare these two strings that they are equal or not. So in simple term, if you want to know the length of the string, you can use strlen. If you want to copy one string to into another one, then you can use strcpy. If you want to concatenate, you can use strcat, that is cat. And if you want to compare, you can use strcamp. So let's run it and see how it works. So gcc string lib.c -o string lib. So you just compile it and we have to run it. String lib c. So the length of string 1 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. str3, we are copying the string 1 into the string 3. So it say hello. So just copying the string basically string 1 into the string 3 and it say hello. We are concatenating the string 1 and string 2 using this. So strcat, so it's a hello world. And now we are comparing the string 1 and string 2. As we can see, they are different, so it's a string are not equal. So the key point to remember here, string are character array ending with \0. Always make sure your array is large enough to store the string plus null character, and use string.h function for easy operation. So that's the basic of string C. Character are useful, string.h function. Character array and useful, string.h function. So in the next one, we'll explore pointer in C. That is very important topic in C. And everyone get confused in the pointer. So we're going to play with the example in a like we'll learn pointer using some example. And pointer basically play an important role in handling string and array more efficiently. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more C programming tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you.